Hello, it's Nigel Calvert. I'm one of the public health doctors. Unfortunately, with COVID cases on the rise again, we thought it might be helpful just to give some advice about self-management during your self-isolation period if you're unfortunate enough to catch COVID. It's important to drink plenty of fluids, water or dilute squash helps keep your fluid levels up. When you've got a temperature, you do sweat more, of course, and it's easy to get dehydrated, so that's important. You need to try and keep drinking plenty of fluids. We'd also advise that you might like to take over-the-counter medications like paracetamol regularly, following the instructions on the box, of course, because that can help with symptoms. And the other thing is drinking warm drinks can very often help ease the cough. We're hopeful that most people, especially if they're well immunised, will have a relatively mild illness, but it's important to keep an eye on how things are going. There's good advice on NHS Inform on the internet, and you should always phone 111 if you feel that your symptoms are getting worse. Especially this applies to people in high risk or extremely high risk groups. So this is the people who have been shielding, for example, and you all know who you are. So if you get breathlessness or it gets worse, then we'd like you to seek help by ringing 111. I hope this helps, and I hope you stay safe and well over the festive season.